Today I'm going to pick up some more animals for my farm, and I'm also going to talk about the vision for my whole farm. I'm so excited for this because it means that I'm going to be one step closer to being self-sufficient. But before getting the animals, I of course have to prepare for it. So that's what I'm gonna do now before I drive 1 hour to get the animals. I'm gonna get them in 3 different locations because it's 3 different kinds of animals. But for now, we are just gonna figure out where to put them. First things first, I need a few boxes for transportation. Ones. But yay. Okay, perfect. Easy peasy. Are we gonna get some new animals today? Yay! So what I'm gonna do now is to make sure everything is organized in the car so it's easy to pick them up. And I'm not gonna show you this, but it's a mess, so I'm gonna clean it up a bit. So this is what I tried to build yesterday. It's for the quails. And I don't know, I hoped to buy something on the marketplace, but it was not for sale anymore, so therefore I had to build something myself. Hi Calvin. Change of plans. The person with the quails just texted me and asked me if I wanted all of the quails he had left. And I said yes, which is 15 quails. I ordered 5. So now I'm gonna have 15 quails instead. So everything I built is not going to be enough for all of the quails. So I think to make 2 groups, 2 or 3 groups. Both because they are victims to foxes, cats, birds and stuff like that. So there's a better chance to keep all of them alive if I keep them separated. At least I hope. So first thing done, I just need to cover the top. Fixed for now. I just hope that Calvin isn't able to go down between these. He probably is. I just hope that he won't kill them. Otherwise it's going to be a short adventure because he also lives in this part of the stable. Since I made a little impulse buy, I need to make a bit more space. I have no idea how much space 15 quails are going to take. So I'm gonna take this out just in case. I also need to get some food on the way, so that's probably a good decision. Okay. Done and ready to go. While I'm driving, I'm going to talk about the whole idea of being self-sufficient. Because it's a project that I started recently. And something I had in my mind for many years. I just never thought that it would be possible for me. Due to my work and due to a lot of things. But now I'm jumping into it without knowing anything about it. I read a little bit in books and tried to do a little bit of research, but I never really did it before. And I don't really have anyone to help me, so I'm just diving into it hoping for the best. So my whole plan is to be self-sufficient with food. To both me and the animals. It's my plan for the next couple of years to become a hunter, so I can also add wildlife into my whole plan and project. The reason I'm doing this is, first of all, because I want to get closer to our roots. I want to be able to use our human abilities. I don't really enjoy the thought of just going to the supermarket to get something that you have no idea about, and then you go home and you really don't know what you just supported. And I know that animal cruelty and welfare is a big topic, but I also know that the control is limited. This is my way of stepping out of the system. People always ask, like, you wouldn't be able to. I would, as long as I know that they had a good life, and as long as I know what the purpose is. So that's basically my thoughts behind this. I know it's going to take a lot of work and a lot of money to get fully started, but it's perfect time in my life right now. So let's do it and see how this works. All right, I got my quails, and it showed out that the 15 was 22. So just a small adjustment. But the good thing is that I have 4 males now and the rest are females, so it's gonna fit perfectly into my project. My plan was to get the 5 quails and now I have 22, but I don't like limitations, so that's just great. And now I have to go get a rooster because I've got the chickens, the female ones. And now I want a rooster so they can have baby chickens. And this rooster is a very, very handsome one. He is so pretty. So I'm really excited to see him. Second pickup done. I got my rooster and I also finished all the food shopping. So now I just need the last pickup, which is my Indian runner duck male. And then I'm gonna go home and take all the animals out and get them installed in their new setup. Last pickup done, and now we are heading home. A while ago I drove past the police and I didn't get a speed ticket because I wasn't speeding. So I think that is making my choices today very fair. And the rooster and the duck was for free. So I only had to pay for the quails, which turned out to be a little bit more than I expected, but yeah. Home and ready to get them out. I would like to prepare everything for them before taking them out, but they have been in the car for 2 hours now, so I think it's time to just get them out and fix everything after. Apparently there is supposed to be 22 quails in here. I haven't seen them yet. Let's see how we arrange this situation. Cute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Seems like they are quite happy. Let's see how this is gonna go. Är det spændende? Hvad? Hvad har vi dernede? Wow. She is pretty. He is very, very gorgeous. Look at him. Wow. He is beautiful and huge. Wow. He is gorgeous. He is the prettiest rooster I've ever seen. Wow. I love him. And then the last part of today's shopping haul. My little new ducky. He is so sweet and very scared right now. Look at him. Oh. Okay. A little bit of conflict. Oh. Boys. Boys. Okay, I think they need to have a fight before they settle completely, but yeah, let's see. So, all of the animals arrived and is safely installed in their new homes, so that is just amazing. So, what do we have now? I have to count. 24, 3, 4, 3. I'll get back to you. I now have a total of 45 animals. My dream is right here. Hey chickies! Hey Fluffy.